What? Well, it's not a plan. Here we go on. Carefully. Hey, franchise the chosen one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know it already, you know. A full effect thing. You know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, when you know a loud explosion about you, watch me, no man. Or the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Hey, the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right now in a Gaza nation. See some local man are getting twisted, you know. But here we are going. Just because I say me is a general in the army. I'm a represent for Gaza. A boy a offer to come box me. You see what I say? But from me hear the man I say box. I wonder if a UPS him work or FedEx. Because here we go on. Right about now, you know. Me da wish if I box the man them a box down the woman them a Jamaica instead of point them fire stick on them. You see what I say? I would have glad. You see me? So from the moment he must say box down, that means a gimmicks business he might talk about. And he might talk about man, hold me. Want to you boy, your hand them now work? It look like your hand them now work. You know what I mean? Them something they played out long time ago, man. Right now, you know, man and man a play look friendly than me know on the corner, man cold the game and man still around go for gun. Much less your box, man. Yo, hear me I say, I don't be too in them two waste argument, because waste argument that. I don't really watch people mouth and watch what them I say, because I don't deal with them thing there. I don't deal with lip service thing. You see what I say? I don't joke shit. You see what I deal with? I used to physical activity. I'm not used to the gimmicks. I'm not used to fairy tales business. And I joke business now, man. Hear what I say? If you think my previous video hurt you like that, my brother, listen to that one. Because it look like so, you not listen, but you not learn. Let me tell you something. Alkaline not bring nothing come in a dance hall but body wash. Are the only original thing that him have for himself in a dance hall. The eyeball business where him go do, a Vybz Kartel idea. A Vybz Kartel tell the reporter man that upon him interview. And say him can all rust tomorrow. You know what I mean? Anything can go and him run go all rust up him ear. And him bleach out himself, him tattoo up himself, him put in extension, him a use all of the man post them and all of the man thing. Down to the man voice not even original, a be auto-tune him have to use. And that's why when him up on the stage and a perform, him song them can't sound like how it sound like when him do it in a studio. Because him not an auto-tune mic there. You see what I say? So I don't know how comes all them look up make artists you want to put against big bad. You know what I mean? Dynamic artists. And I come with a look a lollipop thing and when time 10 start up, boy I come and tell man this and I tell man that. Yo, understand yourself in a youth. Or bend up and blow on yourself. You know. You think me easy? Whole of Gaza nation know I grade my snow. Me not bun beady. You hear that? You better believe me. Hear me I say. Right now. If you look, any man where you see a run dance hall, him have to run the street. Any man where you see run dance hall in a Jamaica, him have to run the street. And them youth they not no street credibility. You see what I mean? So I don't know who I talk about. Who know him? Where I talk about? Eh? You know see upon the man own ends, the man them paint out him picture and put in TJ1. That means him still an apprentice, him still a slip 7 pounds. So I don't know how I feel like I can come talk to 10 star just because I sound the big thing them and I drop necessary equipment. You know what I mean? You know, go over CMR and DV, CV channel, go tell him say, yo, you hear what? Stop go out them fool thing the way you go out when you talk about the world boss. Or stop do this or stop do that. When you come over 10 star no know you, me and you no friend. You know what I mean? You come over here and dive in a my DM like you is a bitch. You know what I mean? When you go in the comment section, make Gaza Nation can see and yam off your head. You dive in my DM like you're a bitch. And I go like say me supposed to afraid. You tell me about when man hold and box down. Box down what? You think I saw this thing go? I'm not even there at Jamaica. If I'm there at Jamaica, it's even worse. I'm there in America. In America, you know, no bad man here, my brethren. Every single man bad here, dog. It no matter what you have and no matter how big it is and it no matter how tall it is, your man they have more than that, my brethren. You have to know what you're doing here in America and know how you talk to man. And I don't know, joke thing. A level playing field is. You hear that? And on a one-sided thing. You think of Jamaica here there where you have your friend them can gang up and boy, a level playing field. So just make sure you don't have iron umbrella. You know what I mean, for shelter from rain. Because I don't joke shit. So I don't know what you talk about or what you try to forget or whatever. I say, alkaline no sound like how him sound pan record when him there on stage. You hear that? Him no sound like that. Popcorn, Tommy Lee, and them man there. Anywhere at all the man them go, the man them sound the same. So I don't know what I talk about. You see what I deal when him songwriter left him now. Now try remember this, you know. When him songwriter left him now. To ask the people them how him sang them sound. Them not sound stupid and weird. Eh? When him songwriter left him. Alright, him break off from that and him try to use him own voice. And you see it did hard and difficult for him. You better give thanks to Squash man. You see what I deal with who come. And my virgin come for heal me up, you know. Every evening the man come look for me and heal me up. Bless up yourself, my general.
Touch up, Joe. Touch up, General.
Thing good? Eh?
No, you look for your the last 2 days.
Yeah.
You asked for him?
Just said,
Yeah.
I just said, you know, me and Simon to them. I know I see him on the corner there. They see me right back. I said, I'm going to check.
I see man and mommy that
He
come
asked
from
one
the...
by one. He said, Daddy, go back.
Yeah.
He said, Daddy, where's my boy?
Yeah.
So I know you talking about him first. I said, not here. He took a couple more scoots by and said, where's my other boy? Damn, so I said, we're going to see him when we come back to.
Yeah.
The way we're going to see him.
I see man and mama come from the park, you know, him and look a cat, you know. Yeah. The most popular skateboard the place, man. Yeah, one more. Respect, you know what I mean?
Who don't know you? Who don't want to
Yeah, man. For real, Gaza Nation. So me I say, the man songwriter left him. Him try break off on him own. You see what I deal with? Him tune them start sound weird and crusty. You see what I deal with? Forgive thanks to Squash man for answer him that him could have propelled himself and even upgrade right now that all fool boy can all chat up them out and talk. You see what I deal with? Him try to break off from Vybz Kartel them thing and I got in a film own thing and it not sound good. You see what I deal with? The reason why the Vendetta fans them a chat up them mouth because him run back to Mr. Auto Tune. You hear that? So nothing about this guy no real, my brethren. Everything about this guy fake, including him voice, my brethren. Him have to run go back to Mr. Auto Tune. You see what I deal with? When Vybz Kartel them a do song all 5-6 different flow them man they use. And no gimmicks thing. Go tell him to learn fully about music. Him a hustler. Him a music hustler. Him a no musician. Him is a hustler. A hustler man they come hustle dance all music. But you don't want to talk the truth. You don't want to talk the truth, you know. You know what I mean? You don't want to jump up and down and a re and I go like say, oh, and say a real thing what I do. I've used no for I do this thing for you know. Me no lollipop thing, you know. Me no joke thing, you know that. Me no joke thing when me I represent a full effect thing. You know what I mean? And if you want to vex your business that, because he's a man who now come tell no for my life on you. You know what I mean? So if I'm not telling a lie for you, I don't care what men and people want to say, brother. I care about what men and people want to say. My business, 10 star, you care your ass about what? I want to tell you, man. What's wrong with you people? Eh? The nerve of some people. Eh? So, the nerve of some people. You know what I mean? I have the audacity to come and talk to me about alkaline. You know what I mean? I represent for the wickedest artist dancehall ever see. From dancehall create from 1979. The wickedest artist. Blood clot Vybz Kartel, the world boss. What not gonna tell me say? What not gonna say to me? What not gonna say to me? Eh? What not gonna say to me? Eh? Me not there sting. Me not there sting. When Vybz Kartel come there for the first time. And people are amazed by what he's spitting. People, the whole of Jamaica have to stand up and look. Them amazed. I play nice. Where you come tell me about? You don't act like me a lollipop youth. You know what I mean? A big security company my father own in Jamaica, you know. Me just now run up my mouth, you know. I don't want to feel like 10 star and not gimmicks, you know. Ask Charlie Chaplin. Ask Charlie Chaplin. His name Mr. Bennett. At that time last name. Ask him own border patrol security company. Ask him. You know what I mean? The next company will merge with them company where every time Sting and Sunfest keep. For them security company lock it down. Ask him no man. Oh, I'm too no man. I don't pay for go show man. I don't go every show in Jamaica man. I want me to know you to just start just start. I talk about dancehall business, you know. One of them when man there, a reggae sun splash and I use one band and I make crazy money from people and white people. Eh? Every time the earmarks does come to Jamaica, one of them look at youth. Every man I go to Western Sports go grab them earmarks. What not talk about? What not talk about? You don't know when man I use one band and I go for people and I take off the band because you have to skillful, eat the razor blade and lift it up and put it on for white people and make one time them go in your friend take it off for the man and carry it back and eat crazy food, a reggae sun splash. You don't come tell me about a dancehall business, you know. Because you know, just coming out. You know what I mean? When you hear me chat, you know, bumbuckler list, you know, and not chat to me, you know, because you don't know nothing about dancehall, you know. I want me to know. I will fool, you know. Eh? Let me tell you something. When you come and I enter concrete jungle, let me tell you something. When you come the top of White Road, you see welcome to concrete jungle, Arnett Garden, the birthplace of reggae music and dancehall. You hear that batty boys? Okay. I come play with money, you know, like when you know about artist business. I come and go like when you know nothing about artists. Alkaline and make artists. Okay. Tell him for go learn to improve on him skill. That him can stop use auto-tune. And that him can please the fans them and the crowd. You know what I mean? And make it sound like well then. A plastic in music a sing pan. Because it no sound the same when him out there on the stage. You hear that? Him still a baby artist. A make artist. A be a fantasy him work with. Not how I'm doing a real. The only real thing I'm bringing a dancehall, a body wash, and that's a low blow. Him are the only artist from dancehall exist till now. Come and promote them shit there. The 10 star, you know. The general, you know. You don't know how I represent Gaza Nation. A full effective. You know what I mean? I'm not going to let go now because I'm not get too heated. I'm not supposed to do my video like that. What? Yo, Gaza Nation. Tell me how much more electrified can get than that. Hey. Watch.